Hey traders, John Howell here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how the futures markets actually gapped down and then they rallied back up. And what does that mean for the markets right now? Let's get straight into it. Grab your 100% free training right now on the 7 major steps to becoming a long-term successful trader. The very first link in the description, click on that to get the free training right now. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading can cause substantial financial loss. There's so many areas to become a good trader. So this here is just the education only and it's not financial advice. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into today's video. What I'm looking at right now on the Dow Jones, on the short-term chart, okay? So we're looking at the short-term chart. And we can see, what do we see right now? We actually see the market actually gap down. It gapped down through here on this 25,000 level. It rallied down this morning and came back up and closed strong. So we're forming a bit of a double bottom right now on this short-term chart on the Dow Jones. Now, the interesting thing about this all is I was watching the futures market last night, and I even did a bit of a live stream as well too, and the futures markets were down, and I actually said to... I forget who it was, but I actually said that I've seen so many times that the futures market's been down and then suddenly the cash market opens up and then they rally this thing right back up again. And it's interesting, that's exactly what actually happened. Now, I didn't know that was going to happen. It's not about me being right in the market, but the thing is, as you can see, right, we actually had a gap down, a rally back up and a close higher. That's same for the S&P 500 as well too. We had a big gap down. It's actually forming a bit of a double bottom right now. And then now it's just going sideways. Now the interesting thing is actually forming a double bottom. Now if this is a double bottom and we rally up and we rally out and we actually break this high through here, the 2,800 level, then we're probably going to run back up to all-time new highs. This is the same for the Nasdaq as well too, right? We had a big drop down once, come back down. If this is a double bottom, meaning it actually holds, because we don't know what's going to happen, right? So if it is a double bottom and we rally back up and we start to get a close back above the 7,700, this is what's known as the neckline, then this has a really good chance then of running back up to probably break up to all-time new highs again. So we can see that's what's happening through there. Now the most important thing, guys, is to keep an eye on that weekly chart because that weekly chart is still king, right? Remember, don't fight that weekly chart. The weekly chart is still king. Higher low, this still could be another, this could just be another higher low and we rally up and out of this. So don't fight that weekly trend. Remember, that weekly trend is the big guy. So don't fight that weekly trend. After being mentored by 4 different 7-figure traders, I've realized they all have some things in common that actually help them do really, really well in the markets. So I'm actually putting on a free training where I'm going to walk you through the 7 simple but powerful universal laws to becoming a consistent profitable trader while achieving a very high success rate without spending 13 years trying to figure it all out. Plus, I'm going to walk you through the absolute details of my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. The very first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go check it all out and be able to go see this free training, and I'm going to walk you through every single detail of these 7 universal laws so you too can start to have the odds on your side. So go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.